Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to Modern English with Sana. Today we are going to learn words meaning and their pronunciation with the help of simple examples. So viewers, before we start our lesson, please follow our page. First we have fair, yani Munsafana ya phir gora. She has a fair tone. Next we have gorgeous, yani ke khubsurat. Next we have foolish, बेवकूफ. Next we have good, यानी कि अच्छा. He is a good boy. Fine, ठीक. I am fine. Handsome, यानी कि हसीन. He is a handsome boy. Next we have fragile, खराब या फिर नाजुक. His fragile ego is hurt. Next we have jealous, यानी कि हासद. We should stay away from the jealous people. हमें हासद लोगों से दूर रहना चाहिए. Next we have friendly, दोस्ताना. We were having a friendly conversation. हम एक दोस्ताना गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे. Next we have healthy, यानी कि सेहतमंद. Next we have innocent, यानी कि मासूम. All kids are innocent. Next we have hungry, यानी कि भूखा. Next we have funny, मजाकिया. For example, I'm a funny girl. मैं एक मजाकिया लड़की हूँ. Next we have jolly. Afifa was a jolly girl. Afifa एक खुशमिजाज लड़की थी. Next we have helpful यानी मददगार. Ahmed is a helpful person. अहमद मददगार शख्स है. या फिर this act is helpful. ये एक मददगार अमल है. Next we have naughty, यानी कि शरारती. All kids are naughty. सब बच्चे शरारती होते हैं. Next we have open, यानी खुला. For example, open the door. Next we have proud, यानी कि फख्र. He is a proud man. Next we have poor, यानी कि गरीब. Next we have nice, यानी कि अच्छा. She is a nice girl. So viewers, again, आप इनको जितना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आपकी इंग्लिश उतनी ज़्यादा बेहतर होगी. See you next time.